niceness. Welcome back to another episode of Do It Prove It. Today we're on the way to Will Be Free waterfall in South Rivers. We got the tour guide Masimba, Kimran, Coop, and your boy Mr. Do It. So right now we're just gonna take a little detour. We're gonna inspect a little dam catchment area for the Vinlek power plant. Yeah, hydropower plant. Yeah, so like I said, Masimba is the tour guide. He's gonna give us a little insight, explain a little bit. Rasta, come on. Hope you guys enjoy today's episode of Do It Prove It. To all of our subscribers, thank you guys so much for being a part of the channel. And if you're new, welcome. Remember, you can follow us on Instagram and on TikTok. The links will be in the description. So, yeah. Wow. This is just a... Yo. Check that out. Check that out. Got a little vortex going on. Or whirlpool, however you want to put it. And wow. This is just lovely. So to all of our subscribers, again, thank you so much for being a part of the channel. Thanks for all the love and support you have been sending us. This is truly amazing. Like I said, we are in South Rivers. We are heading to the Will Be waterfalls. Or Will Be Free. Will Be Free, Simba? Will Be Free? Yeah, Will Be Free. So tell us something about this area.
So what's happening here is that the guys from Vinlek come and they dive out half of the water that's flowing in the river. Some for hydropower and some to maintain the ecosystem, as you can see.
Okay.
So the whole time we have here's a catchment area basically where the water comes here and it builds up fort and stuff and to go all the way back down to the hydropower plant in South Rivers. We are in the mountains currently.
Okay then. Okay then. So you guys got a little geographical description of what actually is going on here or what is happening here. So we're gonna continue the journey and head back over to the other side, and I think we're gonna be on the way to Will Be. I stay jump and turn over wet down, no? Yeah. Nice. So you guys are outside today with Do It and the team. Yeah. Head over to Instagram and TikTok. Follow us. Drop some comments. Let us know what you probably want to see next. 2021. Okay then, yeah. So, but yeah, we're on the way. We got some cocoa. But nice. And you can see, met another hiker. And he's just preparing for the walk. How has the walk been so far for you? Great.
Easy trail to follow.
Okay then. So
is it easy the whole way?
I'm not sure, this is my first time.
Same.
That's our tour guide. So
All right.
I guess we'll meet you up. All right, yeah.
If not, I got lost.
No, you won't. So yeah. Lovely. Oh, they say split off? I'm not sure. Whoa, no! Woo! So guys, check it out. Right here, I think this is gonna be the area to Will Be. I'm not sure, but the tour guide, he has missed a little bit of action, so he's not too sure as yet. But we're gonna figure it out anyways, you guys. We can't last in St. Vincent, that's one thing for sure. See, we could last at Vinci, boy? Could have never last at Vinci. Alright. I think it's the same river though, but... What are we having?
Raspberries we having today.
Raspberries. How much? Three coconut trees, guys. River heading up to pavement. Got ourselves a coconut to go in the pot. Simba?
Big.
I feel so.
Here we have Mr. Do It. Hucks in a coconut like a native. Fully Vincent and here we have it.
You hear that shake, so you should be good.
Coconut dumpling on the menu?
Come on, no man, you know so.
Full time.
Cheap on flour again in the pot.
Nice. Who got eat all then? Just for we.
Alright.
Here we have the coconut huxing scale going on by Mr. Prove It. Fortunately, he has been there for long, so the customer will leave.
Coconut have hooks.
It's a very dangerous process in itself, like
And watch, you don't shell off for it one time.
properness.
Get that out the way. Don't want to trick anyone. And they're going to blame us and say, yeah, Simba. The tour guy should have known better.
Full time, full time.
Guys, I'm going to show you a little bit of scenery from the previous video. Right? So, over to that side, that's the river heading to pavement, and this is going to take us to Wilby Free waterfall. I know I've been across here before, but I just didn't know where the waterfall was. But at least now I get to figure next time we're gonna do it. We're not gonna do it from South Rivers. We're gonna take it from Greg's because it's way easier for us. Nice. Got ourselves a gummy. Woo, Simba.
It has recently been harvested, bro.
Yeah, somebody harvest some gummy from here for you. Take your machete.
Get some and I'll come back down.
Yeah. Prepare for harvest. So I can't get none for start the fire? Alright. But yeah, look, some you have to chat no more, Simba, man. Look, somebody don't get some nice chop your soul. Ah, go get them and I'll come back. Well, I'll have some now. So yeah, what you got to like cake? Alright. Use this to start the fire. Right. Got some gummy to start the fire. We have arrived after an hour walk. We're finally here. Wilby. It's not too far from pavement. So I think next time I'm going to do this, I'll be doing it from pavement side. Honestly. Pavement is the way to go. Welcome to Wilby. Not your first dive. This is your first dive. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo! Real misty one. Mister! Woo! Groovy! What you want? Water. Woo! Woohoo! Made it! Man, we are basically in pavement. That's to tell you how close we are. And I had no idea. I think we're gonna cook somewhere across here, maybe a little bit down there, not too sure. We don't want to be too much where the waterfall is gonna be creating a whole lot of noise in the background and you guys can't hear what we're saying. So today is gonna be a special cook. So sorry for the guys who can't make it, and I am so sorry for not being here sooner. I got an opportunity a little bit earlier, but oh man, that was an issue. So I'm not even gonna talk too much about that. But we're gonna set up right across here by the river, and we're gonna do a cook. All right, guys. So a little bit of callaloo. We got some freshly harvested carrots, tanya. We got some flour, cabbage, and all the veg to go inside of the pot. Let me hold a slice now. Hey, nothing wrong with that. Yeah. We're gonna enjoy some papaya. Lovely. Yes, the crazy part is that I forgot the coals. So we're gonna have to sort for some firewood. So far, that's what I've got. The place is a little bit damp due to all the rain that was falling over the previous. Oh my gosh, this is just lovely. Lovely, I tell you. I have no idea what's floating in the water there. Looks like a piece of styrofoam. Maybe someone brought it. But we're gonna take it out of the water. Well, it looks like somebody cooler. Sorry. Oh yeah, definitely somebody's cooler. Why? Why did you leave this here? Why? Please tell me why. I am asking you guys to gently take your garbage back home with you. Yeah, this is not nice at all. Okay, Vincentians, don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, let's continue. See if we can find some more firewood. I think this one is gonna work really good. It's extremely hard and it's dry. So I'll be heading back up. Let's get the fire going. I'm gonna take that with me as well. Yes, that's the gummy. Got the gummy going. What you Simba?
Full time.
Full time. Watch your football before you get chopped off. Are you far from hospital? Boy, if anything, I go float, you go down.
You thought that's not it? You not see me thought that's not it?
No, I'm not seeing you.
Okay.
Kimron is taking care of the vegetables. I already got the fire going. Coop did a little bit of assistant. And here we have it. This is the mystery meat for the pot. It's actually iguana. So we're going to be cooking up some iguana today with a little bit of flour, tanya, and some vegetables. It should be good. Check out the beautiful carrots. Actually harvest those this morning. And we're just going to see how the pot is going to turn out today. So Yeah, I'm gonna get this organized and we're gonna put it on the fire. Yep. So guys, the fire is just roaring. Cook. He's back. Right. Okay. Pot is on. Gotta add some chief seasoning. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, chief. Alright. Come on, sponsorship right there. Cooper cook today. Cooper cook today. Wow. Niceness, niceness. I don't want to buy so you try that. I'll go up this deal. No, to go what you pizza with this boy, you're blind like a bat. Hold on. That's some tanya. We're going to put some tanya inside of the pot.
Yeah, well, see what I come. Dumpling full.
Yeah. In the meantime, the pot is cooking. We're gonna take a little swim. So let's head up. I got my goggles. I'm gonna head under. Sadly, I can't take you guys under today, but at least you guys are gonna get to see a little bit of footage of do it heading in. Alright, can I swim? waterfall every day. So the food is actually cooking up. We're gonna head back out there and enjoy. Back door. Sell soft. Oh, coffee. But I don't believe we are. Oh, that look good, boy. Sorry. Oh, niceness. Guys, let me know when I hear their voice. Cause guess what? It's a day in them food, so me I go do the same thing too. Alright. Yep. Guys, we finished eating. We're gonna head back up, take another swim, and we're gonna head out of here. Time for us to head out. Today was a lovely day. So to all of our subscribers, thank you guys so much for being a part of the channel. Thanks for all the love and support you have been sending us. And remember, you guys can follow us on Instagram and on TikTok. Links will be in the description. Until another episode of Do It Prove It, you guys take care.